Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing this, well, it's not a tutorial, but I'm going to be doing this look on camera, kind of showing you how I did it, but also chatting with you while I go through all the steps. I feel like this look is really good for a fun holiday party. You could also do this for New Year's or, you know, whatever you want to do this look for, you could do it. I've actually already filmed this look before, but then I deleted all the audio and I was really pissed off. So I decided to redo it because I really love the look and I'm actually a lot happier with how it turned out today. I had lipstick on my teeth. I like it a lot better today because I amped it up on the inner corner and made it very va-va-voom. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoy it. Please subscribe and let's just jump right into it. This isn't warm enough. I'm actually filming this like 2 weeks in advance. Today's November 13th because while you're watching this, I'll be in New York and I'll be out of town for like a week. So I have a bunch of stuff that I need to pre-film and I'm doing Vlogmas, pre-filming that. So it's gonna be a very busy month and a half. We're just gonna be getting ready together and like chilling because I'm not in the mood to be very instructional, but who knows? Sometimes my get ready with me's turn out to be that way. Who knows? I don't know. But anyways, by the time this goes live, my Vlogmas will be starting December 1st on my second channel. So I will link that up here and down below so you can go check it out and subscribe so you don't miss it. Really quick while I'm talking, I'm gonna start with my skincare. I've been using the Sun & Park Beauty Water. I really, really love this. I do have makeup on left from this morning because I went to the gym and I put on mascara. So I don't know why, but people ask me all the time if I have tattooed eyeliner and no, I don't know. Do people still do that? I just put mascara on and it's like really hard to take off, especially if I'm gonna be filming later and I had it on from this morning. I'm not gonna like try very hard to take it off. Also, when I wash my face, I wash it really good, but sometimes there's just like leftover product there and it's kind of hard to get off. Let me get off my brow product too because I fill in my brows sometimes before I go to the gym. Ooh, feels so good. So I'm just going to dry that off. And then I'm gonna go into my moisturizer and I've been using the, goodness, I'm gonna say this wrong. Drunk Elephant Protini Polypeptide Cream. Okay, that wasn't as hard as I thought. But I use this, but I mix in the Drunk Elephant Virgin Marula Luxury Facial Oil. Blend it together on my fingers and then blend it in on my face. And because I get more oily when I wear makeup, this is perfect. It feels so good on my skin. So I'm gonna continue with my face makeup. I'm taking the Hourglass Veil Mineral Primer and I'm applying this all over my skin. This always looks so crazy when you first put it on. It looks like a purpley, like white cast. I felt like such an adult today. I went to the bank and I got a check for paying my property taxes and then tomorrow I'm going and paying my taxes. And for some reason, anytime I have to do anything super adulty, I kind of freak out about it. I'm like, it's like super important. I can't mess it up and da-da-da-da. And it's so stupid because I do adulty things all the time, but it's like, it never fails. I always feel like I'm doing something wrong. So anyways, I dominated the bank. What's up? Okay, so I have this super bright ass beauty blender, which I love when they're like fresh. And for foundation today, I think I'm gonna mix these two together. This is the CoverGirl Vitalist Healthy Elixir foundation with the Maybelline Matte and Poreless. These two mixed together look just flawless. It reminds me of like the Dior Forever with Too Faced Born This Way. They're both very similar finishes. I still like the Dior and the Too Faced together, but these are like right there with it. So I'm in the shade 705 in the CoverGirl and do one pump of that. And I'm in the shade 112 in the Maybelline. So I'm just kind of mixing them together and popping it on my face. Also, if you hear any banging or if my dogs go crazy, they've been doing construction on my street for about a month now. I don't know what's going on. It's something with something in the ground and they're just making a lot of noise. I'm just letting you know if you hear any banging or dogs going nuts, that's what's going on. I'm going into the Maybelline Master Conceal Concealer. What shade is this? 20 Light. Oh, and I have my, ooh. Can this go like further? Oh yeah. Did not realize I had it not zoomed in all the way. All right, let's blend this in here. This is kind of yellow. This is like looking really yellow. I'm quickly gonna grab my MAC Studio Fix concealer. This is in the shade NW20. This is a little bit lighter and has more of a pink undertone. So I'm just gonna add that in there. So it's already been snowing. I mean, by the time you're watching this, it's end of November, so that's kind of normal, but it's November 13th. It's already snowed twice, which I'm very excited about. So let me know what kind of stuff you guys wanna see during Vlogmas. It's just kind of like lifestyle stuff. So like, you know, I'm obviously gonna do like decorating my tree and whatnot. Do you wanna see like, I don't know, Christmas shopping, wrapping presents, stuff like that? Like, just let me know. I can be festive AF. All right, and then I'm going to use my Makeup Forever powders. I'm going to use the H104, but I'm gonna mix a little bit, just a touch of this yellow one into it, just because this one's like super, super bright. I'm just gonna use that to set the under eyes. And then I'm gonna use the Laura Mercier translucent setting powder to set my entire face, and like wherever I put foundation. I think I'm gonna use my IT Cosmetics brush. This is one of my favorite brushes ever. You can use this for literally anything. For bronzer, I'm gonna be using my favorite one. This is the Hourglass Diffused Bronze Light. There is a bronzer from Milani that I really want to try because it looks a lot like this, or it reminds me of this, kind of like those like mineralized bronzers, and I can't remember which one it is. If you remember, please let me know down below because I want to try it. So I'm using my bronzer brush from Tom Ford, and I'm just gonna bronze up my whole face. Hopping back over into the S116 powder for Makeup Forever. You want to focus, y'all? I always get so confused when this doesn't want to focus. Okay, well, whatever. This color here. And I'm going to use my NARS Ita brush. So what are your favorite Christmas movies? Please let me know down below. I mean, I love all the classics, but I also really love the cheesy Hallmark Channel ones. Those are really fun to watch, even though a lot of the acting is super horrible and it's just all around cheeseball, but I like it. Okay, so now for highlighter, I'm gonna use two. The first one I'm gonna use is the Maybelline Master Chrome Highlighter in 250. This is the one that what is going on with this? Okay, I have to restart this. This one is the Maybelline Master Chrome Highlighter. This is the one that they came out with Nikki Tutorials. It's more of like this icy pearl color. So I'm gonna apply that with a F35 from Sigma. It's very icy white. And this is just like a pale girl's dream. This is perfect if you have more of a fair complexion. It's just really, really pearly. Oh yes. The nose with my finger. And then I'm going into blush before I go in with that second highlight shade. This is the Essence Satin Touch Blush in Satin Love. This is one of my favorite blushes ever. They need to come out with more colors. I'm gonna apply that here. And touch it a little bit up on the forehead and the nose and chin. This is the Fenty Beauty Diamond Balm. Ooh, can't really tell, doesn't really do it justice. It's seriously like crushed diamonds all over the place. I love it. So I'm going to use a smaller brush to apply this just because I don't want this to go everywhere. What do I want to use? I'm just gonna use like a fluffy eyeshadow brush, and I'm gonna pop this right here on my cheekbones, and that is beautiful. I feel like in every single makeup tutorial for like this Christmas holiday season, I feel like I'm gonna want to use this because it's just so pretty. I'm gonna pop a little bit up here. All right, moving on to my eyebrows. I'm using the Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencil in shade number 3. I cannot talk through this, so I'm gonna quickly show my brows getting filled in as I speak right now because I can't do both of them at the same time. Okay, my brows look crazy today. I don't know what's going on, but here we are. For my eyeballs, I'm going to prime with the Painterly Paint Pot and try to fix my bushy brows that I just created. All right, time to jump into eyeshadow finally. Yeah, the brows, it's just not a good brow day today. I don't know what's going on. It is what it is. So a lot of times when I film actual instructional makeup tutorials. I want it to be easily recreatable. So I want it to be something that like you can grab your palette and recreate it at home, or buy single shadows, whatever. I usually don't jump from different palettes, especially bougie palettes, but I had these two palettes. This one is the Natasha Denona Lila Palette, or Lila Palette, however you want to say it. I like never reach for this, but it has some beautiful, beautiful shades in there. And then I also had the Natasha Denona Safari Palette, which is new, and I've had so many requests to use it, so I decided to kind of like mix these two together. These are the two palettes that I'm going to be using. I think I just used like 2 colors from the Safari palette and like a bajillion from this one. I normally don't try to do that because it's definitely not necessary, you know, but since this is just like a chilled out get ready with me video, we're good. So I'm going to start with the Lila palette. I'm gonna call it the Lila palette just because you've heard me talk about this before. If I am blessed with children and we have a girl and Ruben still likes the name, I've always, like since 6th grade, wanted to name my daughter Lila. But this palette is called that. I think it's technically pronounced Lila, but I call it Lila just for that reason. So I just think that's like the prettiest name. If your name is Lila, oh my God, you have the prettiest name. Anyways, I'm gonna go into this center shade here first and use a Smith 232. And this is a shimmer, but it works in the crease. So I'm gonna pop this here into my crease. At first, it kind of hops around and skips around and seems like it's gonna suck. Don't worry, if you keep working with it, it ends up being like the most amazing blendable thing. Bring it in a little. And I'm gonna bring it underneath as well. So let me know what fun things to do in New York for Christmas, because after this goes up, I'll be in New York, which is super exciting. But yeah, let me know what there is to do. We totally want to go ice skating by the Rockefeller Center Christmas tree. I want to go see my grandpa's name at Ellis Island. We want to do the World Trade Center Museum. I really want to see both the Rockettes Christmas special on Broadway and Pretty Woman, because Pretty Woman's on Broadway right now, and that's one of my favorite movies, and I think my mom and my mother-in-law both love that movie too, so I think that'd be an awesome one to see on Broadway. And I've never gone to a Broadway show. I've been to New York a few times and I've never seen a Broadway show, so that would be fun. I think there's this tour that we're gonna take that will show us fun Christmas lights, but also like Christmas movie sightings, so it's kind of like a 2-for-1 deal thing, so it's like super festive, but I think that would be super fun. Gotta go to Serendipity because Serendipity is one of our favorite movies, so we're gonna go there and get a frozen hot chocolate, and I get the chicken wings because those are super good. But yeah, we're gonna be there for like I think 5 days, so there's definitely more we could do, so let me know if you have any suggestions. I'm just building up this side here because the other side was definitely brighter. With the same brush, I'm gonna grab this shade up top that has like a little bit more purple in it, and I'm gonna do the same thing, just keep it focused a little bit lower and not so high up, and kind of deepen this up a little bit, make it a little bit more purpley and less pink. Even though this look is kind of like bright purple, you might think this is very summery, and it is. I feel like you could use any look for any time of the year, to be honest. I think this would be a super fun Christmas party look because everyone does red and green, which is fine. I'm about it. But I feel like you can make this so festive. Purple and glitter and all that, and it's like, bam! And then you stand out and it's super fun and pretty. And plus, how often are you wearing purple eyeshadow, you know? I feel like you can make this super festive. This would be an awesome New Year's look too. I need to remember to do a look like this sometime because I always think that looks look awesome before you put like lid stuff on and just leaving it completely blank and just kind of like poofed around. I need to do a look like that soon because I'm feeling this. I like it. I'm gonna pop over into the Safari palette and this A14 pencil brush from Anastasia. And I'm going to take these two shades mixed together. These two purpley shades. This one's really pigmented and bright. Reminds me of the M928 from Make Forever, which is one of my favorites. And then this one's a lot deeper. So I'm gonna mix those together or kind of like alternate back and forth and deepen up the outer and inner corner of my eyes. I'm actually starting with the more brighter one. I'll bring this in here on the inner. I'm popping into that dark Masai color from the Safari palette on a 247 to deepen up the crease here. So I'm gonna go back into the Lila palette and grab this shade down here, and I'm picking it up on a 242 brush, yeah, from MAC. I'm gonna spray it with Fix Plus. And I'm just gonna pop that color on my eyelid. I'm gonna hop over into the highlighter that I used on my cheeks, this like Nikki Tutorials Maybelline one, and I'm gonna highlight my brow bone and my inner corners. Bring it right up here. All right, so I also got this recently in PR, and I love these. These are freaking stunning, but I only have one, and they sent me a few different shades, and so I can't wait to freaking use this because this is like glorious. This is the shade 104, and it's one of the Starlit powders from Make It Forever. This one looks like it kind of has like a duochrome, like pearly blue almost. So I want to pop this in on the inner corner and kind of see what happens. Yeah, that like freaking gave it to me. Oh my gosh. Yes. Is that not the prettiest thing ever? I'm bringing this in on the lid a little bit. I'm also taking this dry just on my ring finger and just kind of lightly pushing it in so it doesn't go on crazy pigmented, but it gives that glitter. And kind of tie in this purple with this like duochrome blue shades over here. So for eyeliner, I'm gonna be going into the number 74 Inglot Gel Liner. This is a beautiful purple shade. It's a nice dark purple. I'm not gonna do a wing, I'm just gonna put it right here on the lid. And then in my waterline, I'm gonna go into the Alkaline eyeliner from Urban Decay. It's a nice, rich, deep purple. And now I'm popping on these lashes. I don't know the style. I know they're from Velour Lashes. I do have a discount code with them. I believe it's just Brianna Fox. It will give you 15% off. I'll link this style down below. I think it's Here to Slay. I'll look online, I'll figure it out. I'm gonna go and do my hair off camera. I did just do my hair in my Thanksgiving Get Ready With Me. I did a Get Ready With Me start to finish, so check that out if you wanna see how I do it. So I'm gonna quickly go do that and then I'll be back to show you how I do my lips. Okay, so I just did my hair. I popped in my weave. This is the LA Girl Ultimate Intense Stay Auto Liner, and this is in the color Enduring Mauve. Mine, I actually left out, so it dried out, so I just broke off the top of it. That's good as new. So I'm gonna go ahead and line my lips, overline them, fill them in with this. And over top of it, I'm gonna go into the Bare Minerals Wink Liquid Lipstick. This is one of my favorites. It's a very nice, moussey, soft liquid lipstick. It doesn't dry like too drying, I guess. And it smells just like brownie mix. It smells so good. And then the last step, which I'm not really a gloss girl, but I feel like this goes so perfectly with this look. It just like encompasses it all together. And this is the Dose of Colors, the Most Lip Gloss. This is what they made with Desi and Katie, and it's just so pretty. So I'm gonna pop this on. Oh, it's so freaking pretty. All right, guys, this is the final look. This is what it's looking like. I love this. I love this even better the second time around because I like this whole inner corner deal. I'm into it. And I know this is purple and blue, but like, this is holiday-y to me. I feel like this is very Winter Wonderland-esque. So I hope you like this video. Let me know what other holiday Christmas looks you want to see from me. Also, not just looks, but like, do you want outfit videos? Because I'm into the outfit videos right now. I'm kind of into it. So let me know what you want to see down below in the comments section. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out when I upload, and subscribe to my vlog channel so you don't miss out on Vlogmas, so you can see what I'm doing every single day in December. And that's it. Thanks so much for watching and hanging out with me today, and I will see you very soon. Bye.